Hi, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, so now my working station is finished and in order, but I didn't even have the chance yet to use it because there's so much else I must do. So yeah, but I'm quite happy of how everything turned out. And then of course, yeah, the parents' bedroom, the master bedroom, I am so happy with that. So the house is all neat except for the other rooms that I still must do. But before I can even start with that, please embrace yourself, make yourself ready for, I don't even know if I should show you this, but yeah, after all I've done, this is how my room is looking. It is a shambles. Yeah, when I work, I just throw the stuff when I'm finished. You can see all the papers that I worked last with. It's just lying everywhere. Cardboard boxes, everything. But at least now I've got more organization. So I really want to clean up, do a deep clean in this room. And try to get rid of all those things that are standing around. Like for instance, now I can get rid of all these little boxes here. Because this is just little small things that I can maybe use in the dollhouse or in that stuff, and all this stuff that's small, but I don't want to put it in a big box because there's really small things in here that I'm going to put in my little all of my shelves there that my drawers that I made here. I'm going to put all that small little things sorted out, put it in there so I can get rid of all this whole mess here. And then even that corner there with all that cardboard box, I'm going to like this old ceiling boxes, I'm going to throw it out, burn it. I must get rid of all. I really have too much cardboard boxes. And ouch, you see I'm even stepping on stuff here that's hurting me. And yeah, and even this corner here, I want to get rid of all that stuff that's lying there in the corner. I don't want it anymore. I want to empty this cabinet, the drawers here. I want to empty and then put most of the stuff I want to put in there so that the room is open and clean and back to normal again. So then only then I will start with the baby room, which I desperately want to finish all this because I want to start with the teenager's room. First thing first, I must clean up all the stuff is lying around so it doesn't look like a hoarder's room here. And yeah, so yeah, let's get started.